This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw JumpTask from MetaMask. First, make sure your MetaMask wallet is ready to go, with a little BNB for transaction fees. Then, head over to your JumpTask dashboard and find where you can withdraw your JMPT tokens. It's super important to confirm you are on the right network, usually the Binance Smart Chain, to avoid any issues. This initial setup ensures a smooth process for getting your earnings. Now, let's initiate the withdrawal. On your JumpTask dashboard, you'll need to specify exactly how many JMPT tokens you want to move. Double-check that your MetaMask wallet address is correctly shown as the recipient. Accuracy here is key. Take a moment to review any transaction fees or minimum withdrawal amounts that might be listed. Once you're confident with these details, you can proceed to the next step to confirm your request. After initiating the withdrawal, a MetaMask notification will pop up on your screen. This is your chance to carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount of JMPT and the associated gas fee. You'll need to approve this transaction within MetaMask to authorize the transfer. Remember, the gas fee, paid in BNB, is essential for processing your withdrawal on the blockchain. Confirming this step securely moves your tokens. Once you've confirmed the transaction, allow a few moments for the blockchain to process and finalize it. Then, open your MetaMask wallet and check your token list. Your newly withdrawn JMPT balance should now be visible. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. You might just need to manually add the JMPT token contract address to your MetaMask to display it. Congratulations, your JumpTask earnings are now in your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.